you like some? Have you ever tried that?
No, thank you.
Sure.
Yes, please.
It's an illegal. I mean, you don't smell it.
All right.
I didn't.
You don't need to
It's like it's a joke,
Stop.
dude. It's a joke.
Stop.
Come on now. It's a joke.
You're going to jail.
Lüks bir otel odası kiralamak size belirli konforlar sağlar. Ancak bazı insanlar faturayı ödediklerinde kanunları da satın aldıklarını zanneder. Olayların merkezinde dünden beri otel personelinin sabrını zorlayan Jessica var. Son 24 saat içinde çatı katında aşırı alkol alıp taşkınlık yapmış. Lobide çıplak ayakla dolaşarak açık büfedeki yiyecekleri avuçlamış ve erkek arkadaşının ondan $30.000 çaldığına dair asılsız iddialarla ortalığı birbirine katmıştı. Ancak bardağı taşıran son damla bu sabah yaşandı.
Hi, welcome.
Hello.
Welcome back. All right, so we have Miss Jessica, who's been with us since yesterday. She's just had a lot of erratic behavior. Yesterday, she was drinking at the rooftop, getting really intoxicated. We asked her to leave. She kept coming back 3 times. Then she claimed that the guy that she's with stole $30,000 from her, wanted immediate attention for that. This morning was walking barefoot, grabbing pastries off the Continental thing. So long story short, we're going to kick her out. This morning, she was clicking the emergency button. So I was answering it, trying to figure out what happened, what the emergency is. She wouldn't answer me, which is why I called you guys. So we're going to go see what the emergency is, and then we're going to ask her to leave.
Do we want her out just...
In general, I just want her out.
Okay, so we're not doing a trespass.
No, let's do a trespass.
Okay.
Let's do a trespass.
Okay,
That'd be
perfect.
safe. Yeah.
Jessica odasındaki acil durum butonuna defalarca basmış ancak resepsiyon aradığında hiçbir cevap vermemişti. Otel yönetiminin artık tek bir kararı vardı. Jessica'nın tahliye edilmesi. Ancak polisler kapıyı çaldığında basit bir tahliye işleminin nasıl bir sinir harbine dönüşeceğinden henüz habersizlerdi.
Hello.
Hi, you pressed the emergency button, so I wanted to come and see if you were okay.
Oh yeah, we're great. Thanks.
Do you mind opening the door for me?
I didn't know I pressed emergency.
You're okay, but anytime somebody presses that, I have to enter the
What
room.
button did we press?
The emergency button on the phone.
So I had 2 people up here trying to help me figure out the phone's broken.
Okay, I have to enter though to make sure the room is okay and that you're okay if the emergency button is
Can
pressed.
I put some clothes?
Please do. Thank you.
Do we know if she has a card here or Uber or...
I don't know.
142
So what button is that?
So you press the emergency, there's a button that says emergency on the phone. This is your partner. Good morning. How you doing?
Even better. I'm trying to get in touch with. I called emergency on my mother in Orlando.
Oh, okay. So you actually dialed emergency from here?
Yeah, but they connected me to Orlando. My
Oh.
grandmother's in trouble.
Oh no. Okay.
Jessica'nın hikayesi tutarsızdı. Kendi bulunduğu şehirdeki acil durum butonuna basarak başka bir şehirdeki büyükannesi için polisi yönlendirdiğini iddia ediyordu. Ancak yöneticinin gözüne çarpan başka bir detay vardı.
From our side, just looking around a little bit, it looks like you're smoking on the terrace,
Yeah.
which we don't allow smoking in our property. So we're going to have to ask you to leave today. We're not going to charge you for tonight or anything like that, but we're not going to be able to keep you for another night. So we're going to have to ask you to leave. Are we able to pack everything up within the next like 30, actually 15, 20 minutes?
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You paid for shit. Can you just pay for the smoke you paid?
No, unfortunately it doesn't work that way. So I'll step out and then give you guys a chance to kind of get things going. I'll get a bell card up so we can take everything downstairs. Do you have a car with us?
Wonderful. What?
Do you have a vehicle with us?
We have a card and a motorcycle outside.
Okay, we'll get those ready on the ramp for you then. Do you need help
Great.
packing up?
No.
Okay, alright. Thank you. I'll
Thanks
just be
for
right
all your
outside.
help.
You're welcome.
I brought an emergency to my grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can leave now. You're not gonna watch me dressed and all that. You
Okay,
can go outside.
yeah, we'll step outside and you can put something on,
Yeah.
but then we're gonna come and make sure that everything gets packed
you
up.
can,
And
you can go while we pack. We paid for our room today.
Right. So
Go outside.
you're gonna pack, because we're
Right,
going to
but
leave.
you're gonna step outside. You're not gonna be here while.
Right. Well,
you're
we'll
dressed
leave.
and all that.
She'll get here, so
Get
she
outside.
can watch
No.
you put a shirt on. Listen, ma'am. Let me
You're
explain
not
something.
gonna watch any of this.
Let me
You're not.
explain something, okay? You're being removed. You're going to be trespassed.
I understand.
You're
you
going
can
to be-
wait outside while
you're
that
going to-
happens. We have 30 minutes. All we did was smoke outside. Give me a
Going
break.
to be trespassed from the property.
If we don't get out in 30 minutes, get the outside.
First of all,
You don't have any right to tell me what to do in my room that I pay for.
İşte kırılma noktası tam da burası. Hukukta çok net bir kural vardır. Otel yönetimi sizden mülkü terk etmenizi istediği an müşteri statünüz biter ve izinsiz giren şahıs statüsüne geçersiniz. Odanın parasını ödemiş olmanız bu gerçeği değiştirmez. Polis memuru ona bu gerçeği en net haliyle açıklamak zorundaydı.
right.
No.
You're being trespassed. We are going to make sure that you gather all your belongings.
Wait outside while I do it.
No. If you want to go into the bathroom with a shirt and put a shirt on,
No.
that's fine.
No.
But we're not leaving you in here
You can
by
act like an
yourselves.
adult and wait the outside.
We're not doing
I'm gonna
that.
wait over here.
Why don't we start your stuff up?
So you're
Illegal.
being trespassed. If you don't start packing up and leaving now, I'll
Right,
put you
you
in
have no
handcuffs.
business being in
I will
my
put you in
room.
handcuffs and I will take you to the county jail
You have no business being in my
for
room.
trespass
for the next
after
30
warning.
minutes.
Do you understand?
Get the out of my room.
Do you want to go to jail?
Get out of my room.
Last chance.
You have no business being.
Start packing your belongings.
I
Or you're
paid for
going to
this
jail.
room.
Start packing your
For
stuff.
2
and you're
nights.
going
Are
to
you
jail.
refusing to pack your belongings?
No,
and leave?
I asked you to wait outside
And
while
I
pack
explained
my
that that's
belongings.
not happening. Are you refusing to pack your thing?
Kidding me. You guys are the biggest I've ever met in my goddamn life.
What's your first name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan. What's your last name, Ryan?
Ryan, come here.
Can you spell
Ryan.
that?
Can you address?
Hold on, hold on. How do
Ryan,
you spell?
do you not? You don't have to do
stop.
anything in this room. Come here, right now.
Go put your shirt on.
Come here,
Ryan.
Ryan,
Ryan.
right
please listen to us.
now.
She's gonna
In
get
here.
trouble.
You do not do anything that goddamn say.
How much longer are we gonna do with it?
Let's.
Put her in handcuffs.
I'm ready to be ready.
I'm ready.
I can hear you whispering.
1 call 5, 1 call 4.
And we hear us. Damn thing wrong, and you're in my room, and you have no business being here. It's a room I rented, so it's my room right now. I paid for it, so it is. You can say right there. Good thing we're on YouTube.
Good thing.
This place just opened, and it will just get closed.
Ryan, you're going to be the one driving, right?
No, we're not driving.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Even better.
Is it? Yeah, because we're from LA. And guess what I am?
Please.
An
Don't.
investigative reporter.
Congratulations.
Köşeye sıkışan narsist kişiliklerin klasik bir savunma mekanizması. Kendinden menkul bir otorite yaratarak karşısındakini küçümsemek. Jessica'nın araştırmacı gazeteci kimliği memurların umurunda bile değildi. Onlar sadece prosedürü uyguluyordu.
Yep. To you or me? Would you like some Have you ever tried that?
No, thank you.
Sure.
Yes, please.
It's an illegal.
We got a caller at North.
Memurlar Ryan'ın eşyaları toplamasına yardım ederek olayı sessizce çözmeye çalıştı. Hatta Jessica'nın hakaretlerini ve ezik ithamlarını bile sineye çektiler. Ta ki Jessica bir polis memurunun asla tolere etmeyeceği bir çizgiyi geçene kadar. Ne olduğu belirsiz bir maddeyi silahlı bir kolluk kuvvetinin üzerine savurmak
I mean, we can all smell it.
All right.
I didn't.
You don't need to be
It's only,
breathing.
it's a joke,
Stop.
dude. It's a joke.
Stop.
Come on now. It's a joke.
You're going to jail. You're done.
Why?
Spray me with that.
It's
don't know
not
what that is.
really. It's a powder.
Doesn't matter. You're going
It's
to
an
jail.
herb that heals you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Keep you intoxicated. I don't need that.
Well, you could be healed in
I'm
jail.
in my- Why would I get arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct, trespass after warning. We're asking you to leave, and you're
Why, though?
you're
For
making more of a
what?
mess.
It's a herb.
Right? You know that crazy in the city of Sarasota?
No, I bought it at the gas station in Sarasota.
Cool. Not in the city of Sarasota.
Yeah, I did. I swear on God.
No.
Weren't you with me? It was a joke.
That's not funny, okay? Is anyone laughing? You're not even laughing.
Why are you
So why
in my
don't you
hotel room?
Put your shoes on, we're going.
I paid $250.
I don't care how much you paid,
Congratulations.
you're going.
Gördüğünüz gibi kelepçe takılmadan önce polislere gider yapıyordu ama kelepçe takıldıktan sonra süt dökmüş kediye döndü ve yaptıklarının şaka olduğunu söylemeye başladı ama artık çok geç.
Oh, you're all calm and you want to talk like a normal person now, right? Now that you're in handcuffs, right? But before when you're throwing around kratom, you have
Because I was in my own hotel room that
Right.
I paid a lot of money for.
the West
I've
End.
never paid that much money for a hotel room.
Oh, you probably shouldn't have yet. Okay.
Well, it was a lot of money. I felt like I deserved to be there.
Jessica olay günü polis merkezine götürüldü. Hakkında uyarıya rağmen mülke tecavüz ve düzeni bozma suçlarından resmi işlem yapıldı. Erkek arkadaşı Ryan ise eşyaları toplayıp olay yerinden sorunsuz bir şekilde ayrıldı.
It's kratom. It's like an herb. Like a herbal tea.
Yep.
Are you concealing anything within your body?
Okay. Go ahead, take a step in.
You take a picture of her.
Yeah, I got it.
Peki siz bu olay hakkında ne düşünüyorsunuz? Jessica'nın üzerine toz fırlatılana kadar polis memurları gereğinden fazla mı sabır gösterdi? Yoksa baştan itibaren çok daha sert bir müdahale mi gerekiyordu? Olayın hukuki boyutu hakkındaki düşüncelerinizi yorumlarda mutlaka tartışalım. Suçun, psikolojinin ve adaletin perde arkasını incelediğimiz bir sonraki bodycam analizinde görüşmek üzere. Adaletten ayrılmayın, güvende kalın.
Yeah, this is what's fun for me. I want to come up and deal with drunk women throwing around their hotel. Yeah, because the hotel called us. Because you're acting ridiculous and calling the emergency button. That's why. Okay, well, that's not how that works, dude.